Okay, this is Molly, our yappy dog who runs the house. And this is Scout, the auxiliary dog who helps Molly run the house. And after you've had a blizzard in Nebraska, this is what you have to do so your dogs can do what dogs do, which if you look closely you can see some of what the dogs have done. You have to dig a potty path for the dogs. And this is Sadie, and this is Boo, who we are dog sitting for a couple of weeks. And this is their potty path, for lack of a better term. And frankly, I don't think you want to find a better term. So it goes out into the yard through the snow. Scout is our guide. And you can see how the snow has drifted. And we're following the potty path. Every now and again you need to dig them some clearings so they have a little room. We won't show what Scout's doing. And we had a real blizzard last night. And now the snow is picking up again, so I'm glad we took this window of opportunity to dig out the potty path. And imagine, there are other dogs in the neighborhood and now they all have to bark at one another. Funny how that works. And the potty path ends at the Disneyland for dogs, the big maple tree in the backyard. And now let's head back up the old poop trail. Right here is where our compost heap is, buried under the snow. Hello, Boo. And we're heading back up the Doggy Chisholm Trail. I think they want to go back in. And this concludes our tour of what you do to help dogs do what they do in Omaha, Nebraska after a blizzard.